Hey, friends, welcome back to the Called to Lead podcast. So, in today's episode, I'm going to be continuing my series chatting about what makes Restore Collective different. Because if you haven't asked this question yourself, you likely have been or will be asked, what sets us apart? What makes us different when it comes to our products and our compensation plan? So, I'm so glad you asked. I'm breaking down each of our 5 pillars that are kind of our core differentiators. And this week's episode is going to be focused on simple. So you've seen smart, you've seen seasonal. Now we're going to talk about simple. And then coming up is going to be safe and sustainable. And so let's dive into this week's episode all about simplicity. Okay, so if you have been following me and listening to this podcast for a minute, you know that my team name actually was Team Keep It Simple Sister in my former company. And it's something that I had to kind of learn that simplicity is one of the most important things in the direct sales space, but it's also one of my favorite things about beauty as I am entering in this stage of I'll just call it my hot mess mom phase, right? Like running my kids to and from school, or back when my kids were toddlers and I was working full time as an entrepreneur with my boutique. I would drop them at daycare, race to my boutique, do my makeup in the car, and run in. And so even though I was what I would consider a makeup maximalist most of my life, you might not know this about me, but I was obsessed with and have been obsessed with makeup since a middle schooler. And actually, even though I went to college for fashion merchandising at the University of Georgia, I did all of my projects on beauty because I just have loved it. And I was that girl that had the giant, not even caboodle, we're talking like next level train case with whatever the latest brand was. So I've been using things like Benefits, Benetint, and NARS blush and, concealer and all of those things for probably like 25 years, something crazy like that. And fun fact, I actually beat down the door of NARS Cosmetics until they gave me an internship. And that's when I moved to New York this summer before my senior year. And honestly, that's kind of where my boutique began, is it actually started in my head, as a makeup store. But there actually wasn't already a makeup store in Savannah at the time. And so long story short, I used to, in that season of my life, consider myself a makeup maximalist, where I wanted all the things. I could spend hours in Sephora. And in that season of my life, it was fun, right? And so that might be you. You might be in that season yourself. Like maybe you're, in your 20s and you love watching TikTok tutorials and you love going to Ulta or Sephora and getting all the things. I know my 15-year-old daughter is that way. However, having said that, what I kind of had to learn over time is that most women are not that way. Most women need something and crave something that's really simple. And so when I look back on the things that made me fall in love with makeup at the beginning, it was the fact that I would go to maybe the Trish McEvoy counter and learn how to tightline, or Bobbi Brown, and really kind of focus on the natural tones of enhancing my makeup. And so over time, and again in my hot mess mom phase, have really come to appreciate the importance of simplicity. And so when we were creating all of the products with Restore, I knew that I wanted our products to be simple. And we're going to talk about the 3 ways that our products are simple in this episode. Then we'll be sharing also a little bit about what makes our compensation plan also simple and special. But let's dive into the product first. So the first thing that I am super excited about with both our skincare edit as well as our makeup edit is everything is designed to be a simple system and a curated collection, if you will, of all you need if you're a makeup minimalist, or that can supplement the things that you already use and love if you're more like I was back in the day as a makeup maximalist. And these systems are designed to meet women right where they are in terms of learning not only what colors look great on them, but also how to apply them, because the way that our systems and our glow capsule is set up is really to intuitively follow the steps of application. And the important step of even including, for example, our Prime Protect SPF 30 mineral-based primer as a first step. And so that's the first thing that I really think sets Restore Collective apart when it comes to the products, are the systems. So our skincare edit, it's just 4 simple steps. Again, it can integrate into your routine if you choose. For me, that's all I use. And so we're meeting people where they are if they need to learn how to care for their skin and need to learn the concepts behind like a double cleanse. So even the name of our double cleanse collection is step 1, cleansing balm, and step 2, foaming wash. So it's very simple and very clear with explaining what it is, why it is, and how to use it. Diving into the makeup, we like to say there's this 3-step routine for a morning in minutes. And the first step is to prep and protect your skin with having clean, well moisturized skin using our skincare edit, and then prepping with our Prime Protect SPF primer so that you get that SPF protection, which is so vital at all ages, including even like young girls. And then priming that skin for whatever makeup that you're using. And we hope it's our glow capsule, right? But even if it's other makeup, it's all about the simplicity of the steps. Then the second step is going to be blend and balance. And that's something that is really different, even though you might have seen out there on the market, magnetic tints that fit into a custom palette. This is actually something, as we talked about on the seasonality aspect, that's been around for decades. Actually, Mary Kay might have even been the first, probably not the first. Restore Collective certainly won't be the last because it's a very smart concept, especially in the game of simplicity, but also sustainability that's becoming very prevalent in the industry. But the idea behind ours is that blend and balance phase is going to give you a lightweight layer of a skin tint first to even out your skin tone. Then it's going to give the bright balance, which is going to be more of like your corrector and concealer. So we've got one that's darker than your skin tint to give that color correcting, one that's lighter to kind of put on the areas you would naturally put concealer. And then the last step is going to be our lift bronze, which we'll talk more about that in a minute. But the idea is then you're getting that, no makeup look, but you're filtering out the things that you don't love about your face, but you are doing it in a way that is not only easy to do, but it's easy to teach. And so it's our heart with that, that first, second step, and then the third step being the glow and go, which is where you bring color and light and life to your face based around whether you're warm or cool toned or neutral. That's where the eyeshadows and the cheek lips come into play, is with that third step. But the thing that I love about our makeup is if this is, for example, a teenager, and I actually had the blessing of being able to do our pastor's, you guys might remember him from the podcast Harrison. Well, I got to do his daughter's makeup for her birthday, and I walked her through these steps, and she can't buy Restore products yet. And so I pointed her to some comparable things that she could use and love from, like some drugstore brands, just to keep the price smart, right, for her. But I walked her through this process, and I did one half of her face and I had her do the other half. So now she knows this simple system that whether it's with Restore or with her e.l.f. or Ulta goodies that she, she decided to get on her birthday shopping spree, she's got a simple system that she's going to know and use and love, hopefully for generations to come, which is a little bit tied to the sustainability that we'll talk about. Same thing. I tell you, I meet women all the time at our Restore road trips and every in-person makeover that I've done. There are so many women, my mom is one of them, that reach their 50s not really ever knowing how to apply their makeup. And while there are simple systems that are already out there on the market, I really worked really hard to simplify this even further and really kind of focus on the intuitive way to apply things like foundation or concealer or bronzer contour. And we tailored everything towards that. So the first reason that sets us apart is the simplicity of our systems. So just like we've talked about the systems for Restore, the systems for our makeup is a part of what keeps it simple. The second thing that sets our products apart when it comes to simplicity is everything's multi-use. So there's no rules. There's multiple ways to apply, even from the glow capsule, but even each product can be applied in a unique way. So our skin tint is best applied in a lightweight, just thin, even layer. A little goes a long way. But certainly if someone prefers a more full coverage, it is buildable, so they can do that. Same with our bright balance. You can use it to color correct a ton of different things, to brighten. You can even mix some in with your skin tint if you need to adjust the color slightly, or maybe you get lighter in the winter time. Of course, most people do, or darker in the summer. You can kind of mix and match. Then the Lift Bronze is one of my favorite multi-purpose products because it's combining bronzer and contour into a really creamy blendable formula that's still going to stay put and last. And we even have a really simple application method that we teach as well for that application. Same thing, cheek slips. They're multi-purpose. They're more of a balm consistency. So you can, again, kind of build the coverage if you like. Our eye glow can double as illuminator. That's what I have on if you're watching this on YouTube. And so everything is meant to be multi-purpose within our product line. So it's versatile and it's simple. And that's one of the things that really differentiates our products. So then the last thing that really makes us stand apart when it comes to simplicity is just the effortless application. So our brushes are more travel friendly. I've even had people say if they've got like carpal tunnel or even like hand issues, they're so easy to hold and apply. And again, they're double ended. So it's like a 2-in-1 kind of a thing. But that effortless application, you can apply it with your fingers. You can apply it with our brushes. You can apply it in any order. There's no wrong or right way to do it. And even our systems for teaching it will speak to that. We'll have one way that's kind of our simple way of doing it. We'll have another way that if you want and need more full coverage, there'll be a quick short video to walk you through that. And then lastly, for those of you guys who are probably more the makeup maximalist or maybe a makeup expert, and you're kind of integrating this into other products that you're using, or you just want to go rogue and use maybe 2 lipped bronzes or use one of our eye glows as your lip liner, we actually will have a video that'll show you how to do it. Or within our glow capsule system, we actually have a divider that organizes and teaches things step by step, but you can take out that inner divider, like we call it the training wheels, if you want to just have, multiple options and room to grow in your palette. So the intuitive, effortless application of our systems is a part of the thing that makes it really simple. So truly anyone can do it, whether they're 15 or 50, whether they're a makeup pro or a makeup beginner. And so those 3 things are really what sets our products apart when it comes to being simple. A couple other things that I'll just spotlight because they don't necessarily fit into these 3 buckets, but I love that you don't have to keep up with the lids of our our skincare products. That simplifies things. Outside of our step 1 and step 2, they do technically have lids, but they're so pretty. I think you're going to keep up with them. Unlike those clear lids that sometimes come on things. So anyway, I digress. But the simplicity of our products is something that really differentiates our products. Okay, so let's move into what makes our compensation plan simple and sets us apart. And the first facet is just the simplicity of the options to choose within our hybrid advocate, which is our affiliate program, and then partner program, which is our more traditional direct sales based business. And then the quiz that actually helps people decide hey, should I still stay a customer? Should I go more the advocate route? And would that be a better fit for me? Or is the partner program right for me? And that simplicity and getting really clear on what's in it and what's right for that individual person to allow them the freedom to choose themselves. But then once they do join, say as a partner, and certainly even as an advocate too, there's clear, steps of how to get to that next commission bracket. But specifically with the partner, one of the things that makes it really simple and one of the things I love so much is we have a 4-phased approach to where even if you have big goals and big dreams and you want to go all the way to pinnacle partner, which is our platinum pinnacle partner, which is our highest level in the compensation plan, everyone starts by going for profitable partner, which is that first rank, which all you have to do is sell $100, and technically your own personal purchases count, though I would focus on finding customers to do that. But that $100 is all you need to do to rank and grow in that first phase. And then you can rank 2 more times on your own volume alone, or on the volume of your orders, your customer orders, and your team orders. And so by having that first phase focus on sales is naturally going to equip you to build up a customer base where probably about 10% of your customers are going to be interested in the partner program. So that next phase is what we call the star phase, which is focused on finding people to join you, whether that's as an advocate. And again, maybe they're more affiliate minded and you can get great volume for your team from someone just sharing it as an affiliate. Or if they want to be a partner, it's about building up and sharing the business with other people for that star phase. Then the next phase, which is what we call the elite phase, is where you're focused on developing other leaders. So if you can find people to join your team and you've done it in a simple and duplicatable way, which we'll talk about in a minute, then you can show other people how to do it too. And then the last step, which is the pinnacle phase, that highest level is developing elite level leaders, which I'm telling you will become like one of the biggest blessings in your life when you can help other people. And not everybody's going to want to get there. So you're going to have to get that in your mind that not everybody's even going to want to strive for elite or pinnacle or even star. Okay. So it's not for everybody. It's not the right season for everybody. And our comp plan is designed for that as well, as we've already talked about. but just know that you can meet people right where they are, and everyone goes through those same phases. And even the way we teach the systems is meant to be broken down in a simple way, which makes it even easier. So that's the first aspect, is our simple phased approach. The second thing that really kind of makes our system simple is clear, attainable awards. So everybody starts at a 20% baseline commission for your personal sales, but then there's clear structure for how to get to that next bracket, which is up to 25% for an advocate and up to 35% for a partner. And then same thing for making level bonuses or generation bonuses. It's just really clear, and we worked really hard on making that as clear as possible. And then lastly, this is my favorite part, and we touched on this a little bit a few episodes back, but it's the simplicity of our systems that are designed to support it. I'm literally knee deep right now in creating our systems, like for the corporate side, which is going to be also a 3-phased approach. So that one's going to be, the first phase is everything's done for you. We're going to do those systems as a corporate team so that you don't have to put in fancy things yourself. Like, we're going to serve your customers with drip campaigns. We have an onboarding system that's really simple for anyone that joins your team, and it's all provided by us. So you don't have to go develop that. If you, like me, are used to having to create that in your own teams, know that you're not going to have to do that anymore. We're going to be the ones to be doing it for you, which is exciting. But then there will come a phase, that second phase, where we're going to show you how you can kind of put your big girl business pants on and create some systems to take your serving of your team and your customers to the next level. But guess what? We're going to show you how to do it, and we're going to equip you with rewards so that you can do it either free or affordably. And then finally, the last system that we're going to focus from customer service is partnering with some of the best people in the industry to be able to equip those who are building a personal brand. Maybe you've got a website. Maybe you want to start sending monthly newsletters. You should not and don't need to do those things if you're just starting out in network marketing, or if you don't want to do those things, don't ever want to do those things. But if you know you get to that point, or maybe you go viral and you have a ton of followers and it gets overwhelming to you, we are going to be partnering with some of the best to give you a great value and rewards to be able to build out those systems yourself. So we're so excited about the simplicity of our systems when it comes to onboarding and when it comes to serving your customers and serving your field. We're going to hold your hand the whole way. And again, at the beginning, for everybody, we're going to do it for you. So get excited about the simplicity of that. So my friends, I hope that this has been helpful in terms of guiding you towards what makes us different and the simple aspects of both our product and our comp plan. And I'd love to wrap us up in prayer. Father, thank you so much for just the wisdom and inspiration and experience to take me from a maximalist, which wasn't serving me well in terms of the time and money and resources, and turning me into being passionate about helping other women simplify their routines. And whether that's with their makeup and their skincare, or whether that's in their business, that I know that's something that you have specifically put on my heart for me to grow through that journey personally and share it even out loud on this podcast along the way, to get to a point to be able to finally provide those from a corporate system to those that are listening and want to build a business with Restore. And so, Lord, I just ask you to just step alongside those who want to do this, to help them see the facets of what makes us different and what makes us so special. And just thank you for the blessing of being able to create all of this alongside them. And in Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys, I hope y'all have an amazing week, and thanks for listening as always.